Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I will show you that how to change your business account to a personal account in 2024. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first step you have to do is to open up the Instagram app on your phone. Okay, so once you are on Instagram, click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Okay, so now you have to click on the three lines at the top right corner. Okay, so once you are in the settings menu, you have to scroll down and find business tools and controls. Okay, so now you have to scroll down and you will see an option of switch account type. Okay, so now you will see two options whether to switch to a personal account or creator account. Tap on switch to personal account. Okay, so now Instagram will ask you to confirm that you want to switch to a personal account. Tap on switch to personal account. And that's it. Your Instagram account is now switched from a business account to a personal account. You will notice that some features exclusive to business accounts like insights are no longer available. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.